Yo, what's good? What's cracking, dog?
What are we doing today?
I'm looking for a job, man. I need a jobby job. See if this place is hiring and shit. Yo, let me get an appy. Let me get an appy, dog.
Yeah, whatever that was.
Y'all playing corn dog?
You guys may have seen him kind of hanging around the shop. We got Banker a little bit of help. He's been a friend of mine for a really long time. His name's Johnny G, and he's going to be shop help in the garage. He's a mechanic, so he works on the mechanic side of vehicles while Banker will build them. So he'll come in when we need him. As far as trying to get our media van fixed, he's going to fix our limo. He's going to help fix the Ridgeline and the stuff that we continuously keep breaking. But I just wanted to show you guys this man's face. This is Johnny. And so you guys aren't like, who the hell is that guy when he keeps showing up on our videos? So that's good. What's cool about these wheels? Correct. See, wheels, tires, suspension. They also act as steps. All I hear is Junior
Trying to start his shitty ass dually.
Jared, if I died today. Oh yeah, that's it right there. I have shit in my eyes.
Here, hold still. I'll
There we
get
go.
it out.
Got it almost figured out, kind of close, and it just kind of fell short. It was late. We're like, whatever, figured out today. Today comes and goes. Not really goes. We're here right now, but wouldn't start again. Wouldn't start last night. So put 2 brand new batteries in here.
Did you fix it?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Are you gonna go find out if you fixed it right now?
Yeah?
Can I go with you?
I don't know. I'm kind of scared.
What'd you all do?
Well, I put a new solenoid plug on it. Bedded wire in. So I cut the old one out, which I hate cutting like OEM plugs out because I feel like that's just wrong.
Yeah.
I got a new plug on it. I dropped the pan, drained all the fluid, dropped the pan, made sure the filter was on all the way. Put the pan back on, made sure it was all nice and tight because it was leaking before.
Toy.
So it's nice and toy, like a toy gun now. And then added all the fluid back. So hypothetically, anything that I can think of that would be an issue is fixed. I plugged the new solenoid plug in and it clicked in, which the other one didn't because it was broken. So I hope this works. If not, I have an OBS.
Because it was shifting, just that the brain wasn't telling it to go into gear,
So
correct?
I'm hoping it was just the solenoid plug, which I got a new plug, so that should fix that issue. I don't know where my keys are. I need keys.
Well, that's fancy. Hello.
Hello there.
It's gonna be really hard to start it if you don't know where your keys are.
You know how anticlimactic this is? I literally am like, it's gotta be done.
Did you put them in the back seat? What is all this stuff?
So that's a roll pan.
Look at this guy's vehicle.
Okay, that is my old transmission. That is the box to ship my old transmission back. These are the stock tires from the Bronco because I got yelled at for having them in the fucking shop. This is my roll pan. This is my glow shift pods. Those are my new brakes. That is my transmission cooler. Any other questions?
Yeah, it's still a mess.
Have you seen this truck?
Yeah, the whole thing's a mess.
Yep. And I don't have keys.
But it's a dually.
But it's a dually.
So you said.
Damn, this joint was nice. How y'all doing? What's good? Is this the custom off, John? I tried applying online at the library. They told me to come in to fill out an appy.
We don't do applications.
You don't do applications? How y'all hire?
We don't.
Can I talk to a manager or some shit? You know what I'm saying? My man, you work here? Yeah. I'm trying to find out if y'all hiring.
What?
I'm trying to find out if y'all is hiring. I want to fill out an appy.
Oh, man.
I don't got online, dog. I went to the library and they threw me out because I was looking at some other shit.
Right.
So then I talked to somebody, Steve at the gas station. He said just go in and fill out an appy.
I think he's got to go to Jones.
Jones? Where's Jones at?
Jones. Where Jones at?
The best place to go.
The office right there? Yep. All right, yo. Yo. Jake, you hiring, dog? You taking a dookie or what? No, he ain't in there, yo. He fled the scene. Nah, he did a wipe and swipe. He gone. Yeah, you got a b-ball court too? I'd love to work here. What's good, dog? You the boss?
No, I'm not.
I'm looking for a job, yo. You know if they's hiring though?
Hell yeah, brother.
You boss in there?
Yeah.
Yo. Where y'all at?
I broke it already.
Sick. Bailey, can you go underneath and see if it's like shifting? Would it start back and then move forward? Sad.
Nice.
10 years ago, John came, or no, how long ago was that? When we lived on Tallulah? That's probably 6-7 years ago, or something.
Yeah, almost 8 years.
Yeah. So, anyways, so John comes home, and I had my Ram at the time, and I was replacing a wheel bearing hub assembly, and it was me and my buddy, and we were trying to get it off of the lower control arm, and so we're like ranking on this bitch with like a pry bar or whatever, and he like had just got off work or something. And he's like, "What are you idiots doing?" You know, and I was like, well, we're trying to get this hub or something, like, you know, and we're like ranking on it, and he comes up, and I forget what he grabbed. He grabbed like this giant fucking mallet, and I was like, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Slam! And it just, in an hour. We were there for an hour trying to rank this thing down, and he was like, tricks of the trade. It was just, the thing fucking just fell, dude. It was incredible.
Why don't we have any beer? Because the steel dumpster guy hasn't come to give us cash.
Is that how we buy beer nowadays?
That's how I've always bought beer.
Oh. I didn't know that. It's like getting in the McLaren all over again.
Man, this is a nice office, yo. So you got the Jack Daniels, okay. Damn, that shit look good. That's a nice bottle too. Shit. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, getting to the, oh, there the money at, yo. There go everybody paycheck. See if I can get my shit on there. I forget my passwords. But they all filming. Why are they filming?
You go get a car wash?
What?
Can we get a car wash yet?
Back in my day, car washes started at $1.50. Now it's $4. You know, it's a good thing that we let this sit outside. It's been raining every day though for the last week. It's helping a lot.
Kirk around? You Kirk? Yeah, I'm looking to get a job as well. I'm talking about is fill out an appy. Y'all making a movie? Yo, put me down, yo. It's cracking, dog.
Let's go.
Fellas, what's good, yo? What's cracking? I'm trying to find out if y'all's hiring.
How's it going, bro?
Well, it could be better. I could have a job, you know what I'm saying?
You work for me. Let's do something.
Let's do something.
You want to make some? What are you good at?
Smoking weed. That's about it.
Hey, you Mr. Manny Corey, he's good at that too.
Yeah, we got to link up then. For now, I'm gonna try to fill out an appy. What's good, fam? What's cracking, dog? Y'all playing corn dog? Yo, what's good? I'm trying to find Kirk. Yeah, I'm trying to find out if y'all hiring. I followed the guy. I followed him, man. I just walked in. Damn, what's good, ladies? My bad. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. I ain't got online, dog. I went to the library to do the shit. I got sidetracked. I was looking at pornos, and they threw me out. They asked me not to come back. Shit's crazy.
So you want to come here and watch porno?
No, I want to come here and work with cars and shit. That's what I'm real good at is cars and smoking weed.
I got you.
That's what I do. Let me just roam around there and I'll figure it out.
Josh from TrailBuilt, strike a pose.
I just want to see if my factory Ridgeline with 14 wides can outflex a factory Bronco. What do you think, Jordan?
Doubtful. I'd say doubtful.
Ridgeline, I think the Ridgeline beats this thing. Honda report, baby. Hey, haircut. The Ridgeline's got this.
Oh, I thought you were going to do it with your truck.
I'm gonna do it with my truck too.
There's no way you can.
Why?
Your truck's squatted to piss.
Hear me out. That's why the tires are gonna stay on the ground for longer.
Your bumper's damn near already touched the ground.
Yeah. I need the Ridgeline key.
Oh, you're not even close, bud.
No?
Not even close.
Okay, from the first time or the second? When you
Either.
All right, watch out.
You're probably about 7 inches short yet.
Round two.
That's definitely higher than before.
I'm off the ground. Am I off the ground?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you're probably 6 inches off.
Ooh, you're close. Yeah, you probably got it by an inch.
I beat it.
About 38 and a half.
Get off. Sorry, Ford boys.
Looking good.
You have plenty of room now.
Yeah. Stop.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
My name always Testy. Don't try to test me. Don't need a bulletproof vestie. I'm too strong. You might want to invest in me. I'm gonna write that shit down. Coming up, dog. This shit called coming up.